Cybercrime will cost the world in excess of $6 trillion annually by 2021. Defending against this threat hinges on the skills and readiness of cybersecurity warriors. But even the best of warriors need training. Now you can train hands-on directly from your browser with Check Point's advanced cloud-based Cyber Range. The Cyber Range lets you practice cyber defense and attack in a lifelike simulated environment. Better yet, you'll have fun while training. The range operates in a gamified environment with exciting storylines, challenging missions, and healthy competition. The Cyber Range includes a variety of scenarios covering a wide spectrum of the latest cybersecurity topics. What now? Easy. Simply register to one of the upcoming sessions and get ready to rumble.